God. It stinks like burnt rubber in here, you guys. It smells so bad. All right, so you guys ask, I shall deliver. You guys do want to see a POV drive with regular street tires instead of the big old... Here we go. I'm honestly a little bit nervous just because of the fact that, you know, the car does spin. It does spin a crazy amount, even with the 275/60s. I don't see how it's gonna do it any better with these tires. I'm sure it'll probably be a little bit more fun. It's scary at the same time, so. Oh God, dude, this smells so bad in here. Dude, it smells disgusting in here. All right. Make sure everything looks good. Let this baby warm up and we'll get up out of here. Yeah, but I have a feeling that no matter what, it's gonna spin here. This is third gear. Whoa. And it left big tire marks back there. This thing is not gonna have any traction on these tires. That was third gear, maybe 50–60% throttle, and it just boom. God, it sounds good. Although I will say this, I kind of like the way the car rides a little bit better with these tires than the 275/60s. Feels more planted to the ground, except for when it's spinning. Spin City, boys. You know, that's one of the reasons I always find it funny when people are like, oh man, look how much my car spins. Yeah, like on street tires, bro. I can spin street tires all day long, even on the Eclipse. But whenever you can spin a 28-inch drag radial, Mickey Thompson drag radial, let's see what he's gonna do. Oh, get it, boy! That's what's up. Oh shit! Let me see if I can get next to it. Oh man, that's sick. Oh man, that dude has talent, man. Whoa, still spun. Fourth gear. No bueno. Street tires, no. Now I just don't know how much of that actually comes out on video, man, because as soon as I feel it spinning, as soon as I notice that the speedo jumps a little bit faster than what it should, I let off right away, because it takes a split second, you guys, half a second, and that's it, man. Your car goes sideways, you're off into the wall, and I mean, that's the reason you guys see so many people wreck their cars, man. Like when they're leaving Cars and Coffee and they end up hitting the damn wall, is because of that. They're holding it way too long. Once you start, I mean, especially especially in that case. I was going 80 miles an hour, going sideways, let off. God, that feels good. Yeah, spinning first and second gear is always manageable. You can control that, but spinning third and fourth gear, nah, that ain't smart. Unless you're like on a traction control setup, like my Supra. On my Supra, on the black one, I can be spinning at 100, 120. It's lane 11's down, you know, the road, but it's still going straight because the traction control is doing what it's supposed to do. That was a backfire. At nighttime, it does shoot out some pretty nice flames. I'm actually heading over to my parents' house right now. I'm gonna go visit my mom and my dad. And I was like, man, you know what? Let me just drive the Supra and see what it does. See how it does on the street tires. Now I know it doesn't do shit. All right, boys, I'll get back to you guys once I'm leaving. There's a homeboy from Instagram. I know this dude. I met him whenever I was driving my Supra. I don't know if you guys saw that, man, but I was not even in boost. Like, I was barely touching the gas. The McLaren. Boys, I gotta pull up to another family member's house, catch on the way back. Lila's actually behind me in the truck. It would be cool if she was recording. Sideways bad. I hope Lila recorded that. Woo. Yeah, that felt pretty good. It was sideways, top of third gear, but it was sideways, but still moving forward. All right, guys, I'm gonna end up getting in trouble, man. I'm gonna go put this car away. All right, boys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, man. I've tested the car out on street tires. It's good. You can daily drive it. You know, it actually rides a lot better on regular street tires, but traction is pretty much non-existent. Right there, we just roasted the tires in top of third gear. barely on the gas, so it's whatever, man. Hopefully I've wasted the tires enough today so that way we can put them back on my Supra and maybe that flat spot is gone. But that's gonna be it, boys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this, and I'll catch you on the next one.